Annapurna Krishi Prasar Seva is a pilot testing of interactive information dissemination system developed under Component 4 of National Agricultural Innovation Project of ICAR. IIDS is an integrated system with a combination of IVRS, mobile and web application for dissemination of farm and farmer specific advices and information at user desired mode and time. Prime user farmer can raise query through IVRS, mobile or web application on subscribed categories, that is agriculture, animal husbandry and fisheries. A centralized database for all three applications is maintained. The major features of IVRS application are: farmer can discuss his problem through live interaction with relevant expert available at Krishi Vigyan Kendra. Expert can interact with other experts through call conferencing during live interaction with farmer. The call is forwarded to expert mobile when he is not logged in on his system. Call recording facility during non-working hour, which will be available to expert system when next logged in. Farmer will receive alerts on his mobile on raised and solved query. Solution provided by the expert can be listened 24/7 on toll-free number. Farmer can listen pre-recorded messages on local weather, mandi rates and other government schemes on IVRS and can also receive voice and text messages on his mobile phone.
Text message received.
Farmer can share his best practices to other farmers and can listen the same of other farmers by dialing toll-free number. All the interaction happened inbound and outbound through IVRS is recorded. The major features of smartphone application are: it is a standalone application which can be used by a field coordinator for aggregation of offline and online multimedia queries from the registered farmers on their subscribed services. By using the application, field coordinator can capture problem faced by farmer on its crop, which can be bundled with crop images, small videos and voice recording. Multimedia query will be automatically routed to relevant expert sitting at Krishi Vigyan Kendra, who will refer the query and provide solution. Application facilitates field coordinator to register farmer, local service provider, local mandi rates and weather information. The major features of web application are: a multilingual web-based application is developed which is available in Hindi, English and Telugu. The application has color-coded iconic-based logins for various type of users, that is farmer, field coordinator, agri expert, कृषि विज्ञान केंद्र coordinator, state agricultural university coordinator, tagging and transcribing member, quality control team and system administrator. Major facilities provided to users: agri expert. The profile pop-up of calling farmer will be shown on expert system along with past history of his query and solution. Also, he can access knowledge bank for reference material and external knowledge resources linked with system to provide better solution to farmer. Expert can send solution in multimedia format whenever it is required. Expert can create and send special messages to farmer based on crop and location as and when required. KVK Manager. KVK Manager can approve farmer registration and best practices recorded from his Krishi Vigyan Kendra. SAU Manager. SAU Manager can create users, that is KVK Manager, TNT member and quality control. He can create crop calendars and offers provided by various service provider for its Krishi Vigyan Kendra. TNT member. TNT member can listen conversation held between farmer and expert and transcribe the same into text and tag the query for future reference. Quality control. Quality control will take feedback from farmer regarding quality of content and adaptability of information. IIDS is an attempt with Kisan First slogan in mind and to make him an e-Kisan by empowering with right information at right time. System enables expert with a unique feature, namely Know Your Farmer KYF, to deliver better farm and farmer specific advisories. Thank you.